Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and this is Just Nella, and welcome if you're new here. Now I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm also a full-time medical doctor. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the Ayrtons Defy Age serums that I recently purchased from Discount Beauty. Well, this is not sponsored, but I realized that I should explore a little more and give you guys a bit of an idea of what to expect when you buy these packages, or you buy these items, or if you choose to buy these items. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about these products and these items, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. I first introduced you guys to this product during my week in my life vlog, where I did my mini haul of products that I bought at Discount Beauty. Now let me just mention, this is not a sponsored video, not a sponsored post, but I saw these products and I was like, oh, interesting, I'm quite interested, and I decided why not show you guys. Now in the video I realized that I only showed you guys the boxes and I didn't actually show you how the products look, so I thought I'd use the opportunity to show you guys and introduce you guys to some new products that maybe you'll be interested in purchases, especially if you're Jamaican and you can support Jamaican made products, right? Now I love skincare, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I really enjoy skincare products, so this was definitely something that pulled me, and I thought the prices were reasonable considering, you know, when I equate it to the United States market and compare the value of the items, I thought it was a pretty reasonable item. Now these are, let me make sure they're all standing in the correct order. Right. So these are the three serums that I got, which are the vitamin C, the niacinamide, and the hyaluronic acid. Now I'm going to unbox each of these individually so you guys can have an idea of how they looked, and then I will go through them and tell you some of the properties and benefits of each. Now if you're interested in this kind of content, then keep on watching, and as I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new here, or if you're a repeat visitor who has yet to subscribe. Thank you. Ching. Alright, so let me start off with an oldie but goodie, which is the vitamin C. Now this vitamin C is the most expensive one that I saw, which is for 1,785 Jamaican dollars plus tax, right? Round up to around 2,000 something dollars. And this is how it comes. And it is in the orange, because you know vitamin C usually have an orange or yellow color when they distribute it. So this is how it looks, right? On the box it tells you what ingredients are included. So the active ingredients are 10% vitamin C, 0.5% of vitamin E, as well as 0.5% of ferulic acid. Now the directions listed on the box is to apply 2 to 3 pumps to the face, distribute it onto clean skin. So after you wash and cleanse your face, then you apply 2 to 3 pumps, and you do it evenly across your skin, and you're supposed to recommend use twice per day, in the morning and in the evening. Now I should advise you that whenever you're wearing vitamin C, you definitely need to wear sunscreen. Now especially, well, you should be wearing sunscreen every day because you want to protect your skin, but especially with vitamin C, it can make your skin a little bit more sensitive to sun damage, and it can make your skin a little bit more sensitive to sun damage. So you definitely need to wear vitamin C so you can get the benefits. You need to wear sunscreen whenever you're wearing vitamin C so you can get the benefits as well as the functionality. Now the benefits listed on the box, it has a pH of 6.8, and the benefits listed on the box is that it brightens your complexion, it eliminates free radicals, and it boosts collagen production. So I'm going to unbox it now so you guys can see what it looks like. Now as I mentioned before, it's distributed by Ayrtons, which is it is a product of Jamaica. So you can also look on their website, I guess, if you're overseas, to see if you can get it. But here it is. It comes in like a creamy, it comes in a bottle. First thing, it is an off-white creamy kind of color. It is a serum, very liquidy. It has a cap. You unscrew the cap and then it has a pump. You can do this is just one pump, and as you can see, it is liquidy, runny. It comes out clear, and it has a little bit of a sweetish odor, but it's not too strong and it's not something that is going to be smelling on your skin for too long. And I'm just going to rub it in so you guys can see that, you know, I can rub it in pretty easily and it blends out and it leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. As mentioned before, use it in the morning and in the night. Twice per day is recommended use, and whenever you're using vitamin C, you definitely need to use sunscreen. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I never did nothing for you. Don't say I never give you no pre, because I told you, use sunscreen whenever you're wearing vitamin C. Alright, so vitamin C is the first one, and I like vitamin C. It's one of the holy grails, one of the more popular products that most skincare people like to recommend. So I do think it's something that you need to use in your arsenal. Now, the second one I picked up is the hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is true holy grail product. It is something that can be used in pretty much every skin, on any skincare routine. It's not too sensitive, and it's something that is chef's kiss, can use with multiple products. Whereas vitamin C, there are some products that is contraindicated to use, so you shouldn't mix them. Hyaluronic acid can pretty much be mixed with every single product. Now, it retails for 1,610 Jamaican dollars plus tax. I'll put the US equivalents in the video. I'll type it up and convert it based on the current US conversion, but in Jamaican, 1610 plus tax. The benefits listed on it is that it provides intense hydration. As I told you, it hydrates the skin, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and like baby's bottom butter. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and improves skin elasticity. Like I said, holy grail product here. Now, the active ingredient is that it has 1% hyaluronic acid, it has 1% vitamin B5, and 1% collagen peptides. And as with the vitamin C, you apply 2 to 3 pumps in each sitting, and then you just spread it across the skin on clean, freshly washed face, and it's recommended that you use it morning and night, so twice per day. Now, long-lasting moisture holy grail product can be used with pretty much every single one. So it is definitely something that I would recommend. Now, the final one is the niacinamide. It is also retails for 1,610 Jamaican dollars plus tax, 1,610 Jamaican dollars plus tax. Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not show you how the hyaluronic acid look. How rude of me. Let me go back here. So I'm taking it out of the box, right? So this is the hyaluronic acid. This is how it looks. It's a clear liquidy serum. Also comes with a cap with a pump, and in each of these bottles is 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce, so it can go up on the plane. Right. So this one comes out a little bit thick, a little bit more opaque than the vitamin C. It's also liquidy, but as I said, a little bit more opaque, a little bit more thick. It is a clear substance. It doesn't have much of an odor. And I'm just rubbing it into my skin. Yo, this hand gonna be young. And this is how it looks on my hand. Right? So similar to what I have with the vitamin C, similar canister, 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce. So I'm going to put away this and move on to niacinamide, back to regular schedule. Not just break. Okay. Did not break. Okay, good. Where's the box here? Okay. Alright, so here is the niacinamide. Casper, sit. Good boy. Alright, so this is the niacinamide, or So niacinamide is another product. Now niacinamide or ceramide has gained recent popularity because they're great for evening out skin tone. They're also great for improving skin texture and complexion and getting rid of those pesky bumps that seems to want to live on your face, like say the man you married. Like when did I invite you to this union? This is not a for life thing, sir. This is not a for life thing, ma'am. Get off of my face. So this is it. As I mentioned before, 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce, and it has the active ingredients are 5% niacinamide and 1% zinc. Now I think it is similar to the ordinary, but I think the ordinary has a bit more zinc in it. Don't quote me on it, I don't remember, but it's quite similar to the ordinary one. Now the active ingredients, as I said, 5% niacinamide, 1% zinc, as well as it has a bit of tea tree extract as well. Now the benefits mentioned here is that it minimizes enlarged pores, improves uneven tone and texture, and balances oil secretion. So for the oily face girls like myself, those of us who glow naturally without any help, because you know our face just likes to glow up, we look shiny and stuff, it is great for us to even out our texture and our complexion and to reduce our oil production so we don't look so oily and greasy when we're trying to look matte and like a bad bee. Okay, so this is it. And the same thing, similar with the other products, 2 to 3 pumps you apply on your skin twice a day is recommended, and then you do it once in the morning, once in the night. So this is how it looks. As I said, very similar. It looks similar to the hyaluronic acid. So it is also in a bottle with a cap and a pump, and you just do 1 pump here. It's a clear, thick substance, no scent, and you just rub it into your hand. Now my hand is feeling as smooth like a butter after using all 3. Definitely perfect. Now depending on who you ask, let me just grab something. Remember how I mentioned that you can use hyaluronic acid anyway? Depending on who you ask, a lot of people may mention that you should not necessarily mix vitamin C and niacinamide together. Now I have, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I'm not a dermatologist. I'm merely an obstetrician or an obstetrician in training, and a lot of recommendations is that you shouldn't mix them together or at least wait 30 minutes in between using. Now I have used vitamin C essence and mixed it with niacinamide, but that may just have been me. Who knows what I was doing on a subcellular level. So what I would recommend is that you use the vitamin C in the morning with the sunscreen and the niacinamide in the evening, or vice versa, use niacinamide in the morning with your sunscreen and the vitamin C in the evening, whichever one you choose. Now you can't lose in using both at different times, or if you just want to buy one, if you're a vitamin C lover and you don't really want to try the niacinamide, definitely try vitamin C and you can use it twice per day. Or if you're a niacinamide lover and you don't really want vitamin C, same thing, use it twice a day. Now on the box, written on the box, there are some contraindications. So the box does recommend products that you shouldn't use. So contraindications: if topical AHAs and BHAs are used as a part of your skincare, it should be, so this is for the niacinamide, right? For the niacinamide, the contraindication listed on the box is that if topical AHAs and BHAs are used as a part of your skincare, it should be applied at alternate times with this formula. So therefore, ideally, they recommend that you use the AHA and BHAs in the night and use this in the morning, or applied 30 minutes apart when layering. Otherwise, the efficacy or the functionality of the products may be compromised if you're using AHA and BHAs. Now, AHAs and BHAs are not vitamin C. They're not the same. AHAs and BHAs are like the retinols. Listen, not a dermatologist, but I know vitamin C is not an AHA and BHA. But some people don't recommend you mixing the two or using it, as I mentioned before, 30 minutes apart. See, I know a little something. But this product specifically, Ayrtons, the distributor, specifically mentions that you should not mix it with AHAs and BHAs. Now, the vitamin C, I don't see any contraindications on it actually. So, the only thing I see on there is indications, which is it is for potent brightening serum, natural blend of antioxidant, rich melanin suppressants, and collagen boosters. Right? So daily use is highly recommended, and you should use sunscreen, as I mentioned before. So you see, your girl is telling you some good tea. But as I mentioned before, there are some people some skincare enthusiast experts online who do say you shouldn't mix them together. So you can mix them together, but 30 minutes apart to give each a little bit of time to work, or you can use them at alternate times. Definitely, if you have an AHA or BHA in your regime, then you definitely need to use the niacinamide in the morning. Alright, so if you guys want sorry. Alright, so that is all for today's video in terms of the Ayrtons products. Now, I did also see them have the alpha arbutin and the mandelic acid. So it's not just these three, they also had alpha arbutin and mandelic acid. So it seems like Ayrtons is trying to do a similar product line like the ordinary product line, but made in Jamaica. So I'm gonna try it out. I have tried, and the reason why I bought vitamin C, the hyaluronic acid, and the niacinamide is because these are products that I've used before in other brands. So I'm familiar with how they're supposed to work and what I should expect in terms of my skin improvement, so I know when or how effective the products would be comparatively. I do want to support local product, but if it does not work out in terms of my skin, I won't necessarily buy it again. So I'll give you guys an update. You can always ask me a couple months from now what you think, if I liked it or didn't like it. But that's the reason why I bought them, to try and support our brand and see if the products actually work. Now, if you're interested in buying these items, as I said before, I got them from Discount Beauty Supplies, as well as you can check the Ayrtons website. They might be in other places. I would always check Fantana. Fantana usually have all of the good in terms of the new products and Jamaican based products, but don't quote me. I'm not promoting for any of these places, but these are places that I tend to find these products. Now, if you're interested in content like this, or you just like videos and you want to check out a few more, want to know what this channel is about, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's boost the engagement so more and more people can be attracted to this channel as we continue to grow together. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you like more skincare videos, then you can ask me. I'm always willing to work and help you guys out, and we can talk about it and we can learn together. Now, don't forget, as I mentioned before, I feel like I said this like 5 million times already, but I have to just remind you guys because the girl is on a mission and the girl needs your support. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video. Send it to your workplace chat group, your family chat group, anything, everybody. I would appreciate all the support from you all. Alright guys, thank you so much. Until next time, peace. Thank you. Oh, and if there are any local brands, international brands who want to send their products my way so I can try them out, I'm always willing and able. But I'm just going to tell you, if I don't like your product, I'm not going to sell it to my audience. So just make sure you're selling good products. All right, I've done enough chattering. Until next time, see you guys. Peace.